Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Science. Today we are going to do the laws of reflection, or we are going to practically verify the laws of reflection of light. The first law of reflection says that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie on the same plane. What does it mean? This is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, this is the point of incidence, this is a normal drawn at the point of incidence, and this is the mirror. The reflection is taking place at the mirror. So the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. So this is the first law. The second law states that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is nothing but the angle between the incident ray and the normal. In this case it is 30 degree. And angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the second law, and we are going to verify these two laws practically. Now to verify this law, we need a white sheet of paper, a box, plastic box, transparent plastic box, a protractor and a mirror. Now I have attached the mirror in the plastic box, and I have attached the protractor also in the plastic box. Now what we are going to do, we are going to fill this plastic box with water and we will put a few drops of Dettol. Now I will fill this with water. I have already added a few drops of Dettol in this. Why we have put Dettol in this? So that the path of the light is clearly visible. Pure water has very less colloidal particles to scatter the light. If we add some Dettol or a few drops of milk, then the particles, the colloidal particles will be there in the solution. They will be able to scatter the light. Scattering is nothing but absorption and re-emission of light. So those particles will absorb and re-emit the light, and we will be able to see the clear path of the light ray. Now we will take a plain sheet of paper in which I have already drawn the mirror, position of the mirror. Suppose this is the mirror. We are going to place the mirror here, and the normal, this is the normal, and I am going to incident a laser beam of light like this, and we will see whether the at the angle of 60 degree, and we will check whether it is reflected at this angle or not. This should be the path of the reflected ray. So let us check. Now I have arranged the setup. Now this is the incident ray, this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected. This should be the reflected ray. So let us focus the beam of light at this particular angle. You can see that this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray, which is exactly falling on the reflected ray, which I had drawn measuring angle 60 degree. Now also you can clearly see that the incident ray, you can see the path of the incident ray and the path of the reflected ray. See, we will try to focus the ray of light at the point of incidence. So it is exactly falling on the incident ray. The laser beam is exactly falling on the incident ray, and the reflected ray is coming on the ray drawn by me. Now you can clearly see the path of the incident ray and the path of the reflected ray. As we increase the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection will also increase. So you can see here, as I am increasing the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection is also increasing. See, As I'm increasing the angle of incidence, now it is coming clearly. You can see it clearly. As I'm increasing the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection also increases, and as I am decreasing the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection is also decreasing. So this proves the laws of reflection. As you can see, the first law states that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie on the same plane. So they are lying on the same plane. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal, they all are lying on the same plane at the point of incidence. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Take care.